Hello students, today I am going to revise chapter number 3rd, trigonometry. Clear? In trigonometry we discuss today some extra questions that is different from NCERT. Clear? Now start question. That is question number 1. Sine square pi by 8 plus pi by 2 x by 2 minus sine square pi by 8 minus x by 2. This is the question. You know very well about formula. Do you know formula sine square A minus sine square B? Sine square A minus sine square B formula, that is sine A plus B sine A minus B. You can apply this formula in this question. Sine A plus B pi by 8 plus x by 2 plus pi by 8 minus x by 2 minus into sine A minus B pi by 8 plus x by 2 minus pi by 8 plus x by 2. Apply formula sine A plus B sine A minus B. And these terms cancel. You know that sine pi by 8 plus pi by 8, that is pi by 4. And sine x by 2 plus x by 2, that is x. And sine 45, you know, 1 by root 2. This is the solution of this question. You can check again. In this question, we apply the formula, that is sine square A minus sine square B. Okay. Next, we solve some next question. The question is cos 2x cos x by 2 minus cos 3x cos 9x by 2 is equal to sin 5x sin 5x by 2. You can apply this and you can solve this question. Very important question. This is an example of NCERT. Now left hand side multiply and divide by 2. 2 cos 2x multiply and divide by 2. You know very well that is the formula 2 cos x cos y. Cos x by 2 minus 2 cos 3x cos 9x by 2. Now you can apply formula 2 cos x cos y. 2 cos x cos y. The formula is cos x plus y 2x plus x by 2. 2x plus x by 2, that is 5x by 2 plus cos 2x minus x by 2, that is 3x by 2 minus, apply here formula, cos x plus y, this plus this, 15 x by 2 and minus plus, that is cos 2 3 are 6, 6 minus 9, that is minus 3 x by 2. This is the question. Chapter number 3. In the revision. And in this question, I apply the formula this to cos x cos y. Cos x plus y plus cos x minus y. And you know very well, cos of minus x, that is cos x. You know about this formula? According to this formula, this and this are equal. This will cancel. Clear? Now, the remaining term is 1 by 2, that is cos 5x by 2 minus cos 15x by 2. Now here apply formula cos x minus cos y. You know about formula this cos x minus cos y. Formula minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2. Apply this formula here. Cos x minus cos y. 1 by 2 formula minus 2 sin x plus y by 2. X plus 5x by 2 plus 15x by 2 by 2 sin x minus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2. Even check. Now simplify this. 5x plus 15x, 20x, 20x by 2, 10x, 10x by 2, 5x. Sin 5x minus 15x minus 10x divided by 2 minus 5x. That is minus 5x by 2. And 2 to 2 cancel. And you know very well sin of minus x. Formula sin of minus x, that is minus sin x. So apply this formula here. You can write minus sin 5 by 2 by 2. The minus into minus plus. That is sin 5x by 2. Check this formula and question. In this question we apply these formula 2 cos x cos y, cos x minus y, cos of minus x equal to cos x, and sin of minus x equal to minus sin x. Right. Next, find the value of tan pi by 8. Tan pi by 8. This is the question. And the formula, you know, tan a by 2. That is 1 minus cos a upon sin a. This is the formula. And according to this formula, you can write pi by 8. Can you write like this? Pi by 4 by 2. Can you write? It means when you compare this quantity with this quantity, the value of a is pi by 4. 1 minus cos pi by 4 upon sin pi by 4. 1 cos 45 value 1 by root 2 upon 1 by root 2. That is root 3 and root 2 minus 1 upon root 2. And the reciprocal of 1 by 2. That is root 2 by 1. This will cancel. Root 2 minus 1. This is the answer. Clear? Fourth question of trigonometry. You know very well. Can you solve this question? 2 sin 75 and cos 15 is equal to 1 by 2. Prove that. 2 sin 75 and cos sin 15. Sin here, sin 15. Apply formula here. 2 sin x sin y. Formula, you know, cos x minus y minus cos x plus y. Apply this formula here. Left hand side, cos x minus y. X is here 75 and this is 50 minus cos x plus y, 75 plus 50. Now that cos 60 and this cos 75 plus this cos 90. Now can you tell me the value of cos 60? Cos 60. You know very well. That is 1 by 2. Value of cos 60, 1 by 2. And the cos 90 is 0. Therefore 1 by 2. This is the solution of this question. Clear? Next question. That is 4 sin x sin pi by 3 minus x sin pi by 3 plus x is equal to sin 3x. Prove that. Important question. Left hand side, can you write like this? 2 sin x into 2 sin pi by 3 minus x sin pi by 3 plus x. Can you write like this? Now apply here formula. Apply here formula. 2 sin x sin y, same formula. 2 sin x sin y. This formula. 2 sin x sin y, that is cos x minus y minus cos x plus y. You can apply this formula. Now apply here cos x minus y. This is x and this is y. When you subtract this from this, that is you can say minus 2x minus cos. When you add, this is x and this is y, x plus y. When you add, it will become, that is 2 pi by 3. 2 sin x into the cos 2x. You can write cos 2x, cos 120. Now can you tell me the value of cos 120? The cos 120 is minus 1 by 2. It will become plus. We told you that cos 2 pi by 3. You can write cos pi minus pi by 3. That is minus cos pi by 3 minus 1 by 2. Now you can apply the formula 2 sin x cos 2x formula, you know, cos 2x 1 minus 2 sin square x plus 1 by 2. 2 sin x 1 plus half, that is 3 by 2 minus 2 sin square x. Now multiply this bracket with 2 sin x. 2 sin x when you multiply, that is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Now can you tell me this formula? 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. That is the formula for sin 3x. That is right hand side. Clear? Okay. Do your homework. Revise chapter 3rd thoroughly from NCERT as well as from the other book. and learn all the formula, correct? Thank you.